Hi everybody, today we are going to study surface area and volumes. In that we will study the surface area of a cuboid, next cylinders, cone, right circular cone, and volume of all of this also. Okay, now first surface area of a cuboid. Now if you consider this as a cuboid, in this length, breadth, and if you consider this as a length or breadth, it has a L length and it has a height, it's all are different. Okay, then we can say that it is a cuboid. Okay, now to find the surface area, now if you consider separate each of this, they are in a rectangular shape. Okay, the each side of a cuboid is a rectangular. So to find the area of a rectangle, you know that the formula is the length into breadth. Okay, now for this cuboid you have to find the area of each side. Now if you consider this cuboid, it has 6 sides. So if you consider this as a front side, this left, this right side, it is top, this is bottom, and it's back side. Okay, rear or back side. Okay, so it consists of 6 sides. Okay, and here the formula related to surface area of a cuboid, you can say that surface area of a surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length, because each side will consider twice. Okay, so its formula is 2 into bracket L means length, B means breadth, and H means height. Okay, for example, if you consider an example, if we have a cuboid whose length, breadth, and height are 15 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 20 centimeter respectively, then surface area of cuboid would be, or it is given by, it is the formula here, length it is given as a 15 centimeter, breadth is equal to 10 centimeter, and height is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay, so area, surface area of cuboid is equal to twice into bracket LB plus breadth height plus height into length. Okay, so which will equal to 2 into bracket length is our 10 centimeter 15 into 10 breadth plus breadth height 10 into 20 plus height length, it is 20 into 15. Okay, which gives us 2 into bracket 150 plus 200 plus 30 into 20, it is a 300, which is equal to, after calculation it will gives us 2 plus 3 plus 3, 650, which is equal to 1300 centimeters square, because here we are finding the area, and area unit is a unit square. Now here unit is a centimeter, so here we will write centimeter square. So surface area of cuboid is equal to 1300 centimeter square. Okay, now next formula is a surface area of a cube. Surface area of a cube. Now cube means, here if you consider it as a cube only, so if you consider this is a cube means here length, breadth, and heights all are equal. That means here each face is a square. in cube each face is a square, okay, and here it may be a rectangular, okay, surface area of a cuboid in that each face is a rectangle, okay. Now the surface area of a cube is equal to, so the surface area of a cube is equal to 6 into a square, okay. As you consider here, all they are equal, length is equal to, here L is equal to B is equal to H, so you can put this formula in area of surface area of cuboid. So here you can write 2 into A, it is A square plus A into A square plus A into A square, it is 3A square into 2, which is equal to 6A square, okay. So the surface area of a cube is a 6A square, okay. Now here if it is a cube, okay, and if the upper side and lower side of the cube is open, that means it does not consist of upper and lower side, then that area is known as a lateral surface area, okay. Or you may write here, I will write the definition. Out of 6 faces of a cuboid, we only find the area of the 4 faces, only find the area of the 4 faces, leaving the bottom and top face, leaving bottom and top faces. In such cases, the area of these 4 surface, the area of these 4 faces is called the lateral surface area, is called the lateral surface area, okay. And here, so the formula for lateral surface area is equal to, of a cube, of cuboid, first we'll write for cuboid, it is equal to 2 into bracket length plus breadth into height, okay. It is a lateral surface area of a cuboid, and lateral surface area of cube, it is equal to 4A square, okay, because there are only 4 sides. So these are the formulas for lateral surface area of cuboid is 2 into bracket length plus breadth into height, and for cube it is a 4A square, okay. Now consider exercise 13.1. In that first example, a plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is made. It is open at top, ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet. Now it is given that the box is open at the top. Now we have to find the area of sheet required for making the box and the cost of the sheet for it. If sheet is measuring 1 meter square, cost rupees 20. Okay. Now in solution, first here we have to find the units. Here givens are in 2 units are given in meter and 1 as a centimeter. So first we will consider we will convert it into meter. So if we consider the long means length, it is equal to 1.5 meter length of box. Wide means breadth of box, it is equal to 1.25 meter, and its height, deep h height is equal to 65 centimeter, which means 65 upon 100 meter, which is equal to 0.65 meter. Okay, is the height of the box. Now the box is open at the top. First we have to find the area. Box is open at the top. Okay, so here we have to find the area of sheet required, okay, which is equal to twice into bracket length, okay, sorry, we will write the formula twice length into height plus twice breadth into height plus length into breadth. Because when we consider the cube, if we consider this as a cube, okay, now the top here, it base consists of length and breadth, and top also consists of length and breadth. So top is open, so here we do not consider twice length into breadth, so here we will consider only length into breadth, because our formula is 2 into bracket. For a cuboid it is 2 into bracket twice 2 into bracket length into height plus breadth into height into length into breadth. But here top is open, so we will not consider length into breadth. Okay, so our solution will be 2 into bracket length is 1.5 into breadth into height is 0.65 plus 2 into bracket breadth is 1.25 into height it is 0.65 plus length into breadth, which is length is our 1.5 into 1.25. Okay, now after solving this we will get 1.95 plus 1.625 plus 1.875. Okay, so our total calculation is 5.45 meters square, which is our required area of a sheet. Okay, this is our first answer. Now in second, cost of a sheet per meter square area is equal to rupees 20. Okay, now total area required for the box is 5.45. so the cost of a sheet of 5.45 meters square area is equal to 5.45 into 20 rupees, which is equal to 109 rupees. Okay, so which is our required answer. Now next example, number 3. The floor of the rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of painting the four walls of the at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000, find the height of the hall. Okay, that means here we have to find, in hint it is given area of four walls, means it is a lateral surface area. Okay, now area of four walls is equal to, or if we consider let length comma breadth and height of a rectangular hall B, L, B and H respectively. Okay, now area of four wall, that means it is a lateral area. You can write it as a twice length into height plus twice breadth into height. Okay, length breadth will be deleted from that part, so which is also written as 2 into bracket L plus B into H. Okay, now we have given the perimeter of the floor of hall, which is equal to 250 meter, is equal to 250 meter. Okay, now the formula for the perimeter is a twice length plus breadth. Okay, because it is a perimeter floor of the hall, that means upper part. So 2 into bracket L plus B is equal to 250. So which is equal to, now here 2 into bracket L plus B is 250. So which is equal to area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls is equal to, here the value of 2L plus B is 250 into H. Okay, meter square. Now here the cost of painting 250 into H, because here we have given the 4 walls painting cost, it is given as a rupees 10 per meter square as 15,000, it is given to us. So the total area is 250 into height. Okay, so it is equal to cost of painting of 250 H square meter area is equal to rupees, it is a 250 H into 10, because total area here, this area of a force wall is 250 into H. So here it is given 250 into H into 10 per meter square, it is given 15,000. Okay, so which is 15,000. Okay, so we will compare this 215 H into 10, which is equal to 2500 H is equal to 15,000. So H is equal to 15,000 divided by 2500. So here 2 zeros will be cancelled, and 25 ones are and 25 sixes are 150. So H is equal to 6 meter. Okay, so therefore the height of the hall is equal to 6 meter. Okay, in this example you can also find the length and breadth also by using these two equations, because we have find the area of 4 wall is 2 into bracket L plus B into H. Okay, so here we can put the value of H, and we have find the area of 4 walls can be find, because 250 into 6 will be the area of 4 wall. So you can get here one equation, and 2 into L plus B is equal to 250 as a second equation, and from these two equation you can find the length and breadth of the cuboid. Okay, so for today we will stop here. Remaining example from this exercise are homeworks you have to solve, and if there is an issue you may ask me on our WhatsApp group. Okay, so for today we will stop here. Thank you.